Hey everyone, welcome back to The Oily Life. I'm so glad that you stopped by here today to watch one of my videos. On my channel, I like to talk about clean living, essential oils, natural DIYs, low tox living. So if that's something you're interested in, I hope you'll subscribe and become part of my YouTube family. You can also follow me over on Instagram. I share a lot of content over there as well about essential oils, natural living, a lot of natural DIYs. You can find me at essentially.tanya. And yeah, if this is something you're interested in, I hope you'll join me over on Instagram as well. So in today's video, we're going to be talking about how you can clean up your laundry products. If you're not aware, laundry products, which is super ironic, are some of the dirtiest products as far as their ingredients out there on the market. So if you're looking to have a more low tox or natural lifestyle, laundry is a great place to get started just because you can get rid of so many chemicals at once. Plus, with laundry, it's things that are touching your skin every day, either the clothes you're wearing or your sheets. So it's super important to have good ingredients in your laundry products just because your skin is in so much contact with those ingredients. So the first thing I'm going to talk about is laundry detergent. Now there's a few different options out there. You can definitely make your own laundry detergent. You can just use some washing soda, borax, and some essential oils and make your own laundry detergent that way. I tend to go the pre-made option for my laundry detergent. I like to use the Thieves laundry detergent from Young Living. It's super concentrated, so you get a ton of loads out of it. This bottle, you get 64 loads out, and you can actually dilute this by half or by thirds. Some people like to do 3 bottles out of this 1 bottle of concentrate. I usually do 2. So I split this in half and fill the rest with distilled water. And then I have another bottle like this that I keep the other half of my laundry detergent in. So it ends up being really affordable for a laundry detergent that doesn't have things in it like optical brighteners, synthetic fragrances, dyes, SLS, SLES, phthalates, parabens, any of those things that are known to be allergy irritants, skin irritants, eye irritants. Some of them even are endocrine disruptors. So you definitely want to find a clean laundry detergent to use. And this is just the one I recommend and the one I like the best. I will, if you'd rather DIY one, I'll leave a recipe for a laundry detergent down in the description box so you can give that a try as well. Now we're going to move on to a super easy and affordable DIY bleach alternative. Now bleach is one of the harshest chemicals that are out there. It does kill off a lot of different things, so there are pluses to bleach, but in your everyday life, it's not something that you're going to need to be using. You want to save bleach for a time that really calls for those harsh chemicals. So what I like to use instead is I just have a glass bottle here that I have a cup of water in. And then from there, I add in a cup of hydrogen peroxide, hopefully without spilling it everywhere. And the hydrogen peroxide is what acts as your whitener in this recipe. And then I add in a 1/4 cup, spilled that a little bit, a 1/4 cup of Thieves household cleaner. And I'll have all of these products linked down in the description box, plus full recipes for you. And that just helps with, the Thieves household cleaner just helps with stain fighting. And then I add in about a tablespoon of dish soap. I'm using the Thieves dish soap here. I just kind of eyeball it. But you could also use Castile soap. That would work really well as in this recipe as well. And it's also natural like the rest of these ingredients. And then just to give it a little extra stain fighting power, I like to add in 10 drops of Lemongrass Essential Oil. Lemongrass not only smells great, but it's a great cleansing oil. So it really helps get rid of dirt and grime or any stains that you might have in your clothes. And then I just give it a stir. And that is all there is to it. Now, I just add in a 1/4 cup into my bleach dispenser whenever I have a load that either is really dirty or if it's whites and I'm trying to brighten them up. I just add a 1/4 cup of this into the bleach dispenser and then run my load like I normally would. And it does a really good job getting your clothes clean. It smells nice and fresh. It keeps your whites bright. I don't think you're gonna miss the bleach. And this is a nice, safe, affordable alternative to it. And now we're gonna move on to a DIY scent booster. Now, I know everyone's seen those little scent beads that you can get now that just, linger on your clothes and leave them smelling like a certain fragrance for days and days at a time. Many people also use fabric softener. Well, my DIY scent booster can eliminate both of those products. It's way cheaper than both of those products, and it's not gonna leave any sort of buildup or chemicals on your clothes. So in my glass container here, I have 1 cup of kosher salt. You can get this container from Walmart for around $2.25, at least in my area, so it's super affordable, and you get multiple uses out of this box. And then I'm just gonna add in 1 more cup of kosher salt, so bringing it up to 2 cups. And like I said, I'll have all these recipes typed out down in the description box for you. Then I'm gonna add in a cup of baking soda. Here we go, there is a cup. And these 2 ingredients together will not only act as a fabric softener, the kosher salt is the part that acts as the fabric softener, but the baking soda also helps with stain removal, and then the 2 together help with holding scent, the scent that we're gonna add into your clothes or linens, whatever you happen to be washing. So now that we got everything in here, as far as the salt and baking soda, we're just gonna mix it up a little bit. All right, that looks good there. And then next, I'm gonna add in 30 drops of Grapefruit Essential Oil. I love citrus oils to go in this scent booster just because they're so clean and fresh and they add some cleansing power to it. Eucalyptus is also nice. I'm doing 30 drops here, by the way. Here's 15, and then we'll give it a stir. As I was saying, eucalyptus is also nice in this. Lavender, if you're looking for a nice soft scent, or if you're washing your kids' clothes, lavender is really nice for that. And it really does linger on your clothes, so you are going to be able to smell that nice, fresh, clean scent without all the fake chemicals. Put in our last 15 drops. And you could, of course, add in more or less essential oil depending on how strong you like it to be. As it sits in the jar, it kind of permeates the whole thing, so it will those 30 drops will actually scent everything in your container. Okay, that looks good there. And that is all there is to it. I mean, you saw that came together in about 3 minutes, so super quick to make. And then I just do a few tablespoons into each load of my laundry, and it comes out nice, fresh, and clean smelling. And then the last clean laundry hack that I wanted to talk about today is wool dryer balls. These are a great natural alternative to dryer sheets. If you're not aware, dryer sheets not only leave a residue on your clothes that can build up over time, and they have known skin and lung irritants in them, so that's something else you want to watch out for. Plus, they leave a buildup in your dryer over time that can cause issues with how efficiently your dryer runs. So wool dryer balls are a great affordable alternative to dryer sheets. You can use these for years and years, and then eventually you'll have to replace them, but I've had this particular set for about 4 years and it's still going strong. It's starting to get some little lint balls on it, but they're still working great. Dryer balls also cut down on drying time, so they're more energy efficient, and they're just a more sustainable product than like a one-time use dryer sheet is. Now you can add some additional scent to your dryer balls. The grapefruit, like we used earlier, for the scent booster is a nice one for this. Lavender, lemon, any fresh and clean essential oil is going to be great on your dryer balls, or lavender, like we spoke about earlier, just for that calming scent. You literally just add like 3 drops to each of your dryer balls. Throw them in the dryer with your clothes, and then your clothes are going to come out smelling clean and fresh. This won't stain your clothes. Essential oils aren't fatty oils like olive oil or avocado oil, anything like that. So they don't stain your clothes like a traditional fatty oil would. So they're perfectly safe to put in with your clothes, won't cause any issues there. So as you can see, it's pretty easy and affordable to clean up the products you're using for your laundry. I hope you enjoyed today's video and that you give these recipes a try. If you do give them a try, leave me a comment down below and let me know how you like them. And until next time, bye!